Hello friends, welcome back to HMS Aviary. This is my another bedroom setup in the ground floor of my building. I have fixed mesh door here so that there is enough of ventilation. Yeah, please come. This is the cage setup. This room is only for show budgies. These are all flight cages. And here is Part-2. Part-2 only started self-feeding, so still under support and feeding. She is growing pretty well. And these are the males, breeding males. They are in rest. After every clutch, I will separate males and females and give for 2 months rest so that the chicks will be healthy. And here you can see the females. Yeah, all these are females. They are getting ready for next season. Okay, I will show you the breeding pairs. This pair is TCB male and albino female. And here the double factor male I have separated now so that it requires some rest. And here you can see spangle breeding pair. And this male is very unique color. Female is grey spangle. I can see the eggs here. And this pair is recessive pied male. Yeah. Female is dominant pied female. She is sitting on egg. So let's not disturb her. Here you can see blue spangle male. Female, double factor female. Even she is sitting on eggs. So let's not disturb her. And here is a double factor male. And female is also a double factor. She is also on eggs. So let's not disturb her. Here you can see green opaline female and olive green male. And this is a very beautiful pair. Lacewing female and lutino male. And here you can see blue female and grey male. Male is very good quality. And here this pair is the exhibition pair. Yellow face female, cobalt yellow face female and blue male. And this is spangle pair. Yeah, here you can see few chicks here. Chicks, every day we should observe this one. Anytime they can come out of the nest box. So carefully I have to separate from the parents. Sometimes female will become aggressive and they will attack chicks. And this is the baby flight cage. So all these are babies. They are getting ready. They have enough of space to fly. See, all are chicks. See, all these are chicks. And quality also, after 3-4 months, size will become very good quality. Yeah, and this is hand feeding cage. So I have kept a blue throated hand feeding chicks here. See, these are blue throated chicks. So this room is warm. So I have kept few small chicks here. And this is cocktail, clear pied cocktail. It's hand feeding. It doesn't want to go back to the cage. I hope you liked this video. If you have any suggestions, please comment in the comment box. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.